Train 345 just west. Train 345 just west coming in. So our 4's leading and so our 4 cars we got 411. Taking off Chestnut Hill West for West Train. Here is the train next to West Trenton coming in. Silver 4's leading. This is train 5336 West Train. Silver 4's leading and Silver 4 car we got 317. Next up is the train to Bryn Mawr. More trains to come. We have the train to Bryn Mawr coming in. The 1-4 leading. That's a 5-4 cars. God! We got 108. Silverline 4-wheel car 108. Take care. 366, 367, and 407. Taking on to Bryn Mawr. Next up is the train to Warminster. Next is the train to Warminster. More action to come. Coming in is the train 6480 to Warminster. Coming in, Silver 4's leading. Got Silver 4 cars. We got 369, 368, 139, and 140. All taken off to Warminster as a limited train. Going against the pole. Next is the train to a deadhead and the West Train. More trains, more action coming in Warminster. Silver 4's leading. That's Silver 4 cars we got 451. 361, 360, and 291. We'll take it on to Lansdale. one train. Next up is the train to West Trenton because the airport's late. More to come. We have the West Trenton train coming in. So far, 4Z. That's our 40 card. We got 375, 374, 337, 336, and 3 We'll take it back to West Trenton. The airport is running over 10 minutes late. We don't know what's going on. We got a blindside train and that train coming next. More coming. Here you have a train coming in. This is the train to Glenside. So far on 4-3. We got so far on 40 cars. We got 335. 15 minutes late. Maybe got tied up in Warminster. Still have a cocktail since that's it. The train to the airport is the single fives. There are no things needed. Five and 136. We'll take it out to Glenside. We'll be coming back as a train to the airport. And here's the airport, which is catching the train 33 coming in. So far, 4Z. So far, 4 we got. Still missed the trip. That was 118, 173, 83, 89, 289, and 294. Next is the airport. More to come. Here we have the train to the airport finally coming in. He's running late. So on 5Z until our 5 road course we got. 725. 877. No heritage units going to be up there as well. More landfill train coming in. Silver Line 4 is leading. We got Silver Line 4 cars. We got 281, 399, 388, 132, and 302. I'll take it out to Lansdale. Next up is a train to Malvern and a train to Warminster. More to come. We have the train coming in, the train to Malvern coming in. Silver Line 4 is leading. We got Silver Line 4 cars. We got 113. 5 is leading. We got Silver Line 5 rail cars. We got 817. 5 leading. We got Silver Line 5 rail cars. We got 720, 841, 842, and 722. I'll take it out to the list. Wow. That horn at the last second.
See what time they're leaving.
That train's not stopping until Fort Washington.
Really?
Yeah. It said on the app this train is not stopping until Fort Washington.
Where the train station is in Fort Washington? Mercedes dealer. In there.
an X train and also an express.
Yeah.
And then a train to West Trenton. And then
Well, actually, that's where I'm going tomorrow. I could just take the train there.
well, in Cass and Sarah's taking you.
Yeah. No, I don't know where the school is, but it's around Trenton.
But the trains here go to West Trenton.
I know. West Trenton is.
There's only
Trenton's here.
street train coming to our Fraser. We got to our fire cars. We got E22, E28, and E7. Let's take it on to 30th Street. I'll have to sit up there tomorrow, I guess. Next is a train to West Trenton. More to come. And I'm pretty sure that will most likely be our last train for the night. Unless we get the 4 now. More to come. Train coming in. Silver 5Z. We got Silver 5 real cars. We got 735. The Pride State of Delaware car.